I really don't even need baby hairs. I never thought the day would come where I said something like that.
Fuck that. Gotta tell him again, yeah? Dunstan. Give me a minute. I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning? Can't you see, man?
Eastside queen.
So for this wig, the hair is nice and soft and everything, but these knots, these are like the thick knots. Like you cannot get away with this unless you bleach it. You see? So I'm gonna have to bleach this wig, the knots. So I'm gonna do that now. After I bleached them, I also went in with some plucking because I don't know, sometimes you gotta bleach them before you pluck. So I did that, and you know, it's looking as good as I want it to look. Now I'm just gonna go ahead with some alcohol and put it on my skin. Y'all see what's going on? Y'all see the demarcation? Like, that's kind of crazy. I need to start taking my wigs off a different way, or just take a break altogether, because that's just, yeah, no. But I'm just doing that to get rid of any oils, to prepare my hairline for the glue. This is the wig after the fact, and you know, I'm just looking at it, and just gonna try it on to make sure everything is sitting pretty as it should, and everything is looking good. The hair is still feeling soft regardless of the bleach. There's no shedding of the knots or anything, which is what I was checking for. And I kind of see that it developed a little wave after getting wet, but right now I just did like a little length check just to make sure. And I'm just gonna hot comb all the hair away so that when I'm gluing down the hair, I don't want any stray hairs anyway. So I'm gonna take the hot comb and just get all that back. So anyway, I got a beauty blender with some makeup already on it. I'm gonna just put that on the middle right here, just to blend it with my skin at least a little bit. Now I'm actually going to style the hair, and like I said, I want to do a middle part, so I'm going to do that. And I have to lay down the hair, so I'm going to use this wax stick from Reese Wigs just to make sure that the hair lays down flat, because we don't want no mountains at the top of our head.
Somebody please take my phone. I'm about to call and someone stop me. I know you won't go when you blocked me. Lady, he been noticing she ain't me. No.
Period. So I'm just trying to figure out how I should style it, and I decided that I wanted to do some crimps. But after I did the crimp, I just felt like that one little crimp just wasn't giving. Like, y'all see my face? I'm like, girl, if you don't put this crimp back in the cabinet. So I just decided it would look better straight. So I just decided to straighten the whole head. This is the moment of truth. I'm about to take off the elastic band and then do some baby hairs. Whew, I hope it looks good, because if it doesn't, I'm really gonna be so sad. Like, at least this part right here, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just close my eyes. Y'all tell me how it look, okay? Is it flaky? Oh. Okay. But this, I'm actually feeling this. I never had my hair down the middle like this either, so I'm doing something new. Actually, I don't even think I need to do baby hairs, but it wouldn't be me if I didn't. This is so cute. I mean, I really don't even need baby hairs. I never thought the day would come where I said something like that. This is just too cute.
Crown, that's a jam. That's a jam. That's a jam.
Yeah. Bust down middle part, jet black, period. I think I gotta do it. Okay, no. I'm not gonna do it. Because I don't need to. But like, even if I didn't need to, I just do baby hairs just cause. But like, this look is actually really cute to me. Who would have thought like the no baby hair look would give just like this?